everybody, today I'll be making a DIY macrame boho themed skirt. To get started, you need cord or yarn, whichever you choose, a pair of scissors, ruler or measuring tape, and lastly, a pencil. So I'll begin by measuring my cord. This is a meter rule, so I have approximately 5 meters of cord. You don't have to be exact with your measurements. I did this 4 times. We'll be mounting our 4 pieces of cord to make our waistband. We will begin our square knot. We'll be working with 4 strings, the 2 end strings being your active strings and the 2 middle ones being your inactive strings. So we'll start by looping that first active string that is in my left hand over your 2 inactive strings. The active string in my right hand will be placed over your first active string, then under your 2 inactive strings and pulled through. You then tighten it. So to continue our square knot, we'll do the same thing on the right side. So we'll make our loop on the right side. It goes over, putting the second active string over, then under and pulling through. Then tightening. So you have completed your square knot. If you didn't catch it the first time, it's okay to go back. It's not necessarily easy on the first time. And we will continue. So I'm going to make a square knot with the other 4 strings that we weren't working with before. So we're going to join our 2 square knots, and it is the same square knot technique, but right here I'm using the 2 inner strings from each square knot to connect them. Okay, so it is a pretty repetitive process, so we'll go back to the left side and we'll make another square knot with the 4 strings. And then do the same thing on the right. We will be doing our center square knot, which connects your 2 square knots that you just made. So we're going to continue doing this until it is long enough to go around your waist. If by any chance you run out of cord, not to worry, I'll leave a link in the description box of how to add cord if you run out. Okay, so here I am cutting pieces of string to make the fringe for the skirt. Don't mind if you see me spacing them out. I didn't intend on having so much, but I realized it was too sparse. So for all those little hoops that you see me putting the string in, just put your string in. So continue adding as much string as you want. In those slots you can put two pieces of string, so it just depends on how full you want your skirt to be. As you can see, I added a little color, and I made the colored areas thicker with string, that is. So we're cutting the ends of the skirt to be as short or as long as you want it, so that your desired length. You can knot each end of the string to stop it from teasing. Honestly, I didn't do that. It's a risk I was willing to take. So we're now adding a button to one end of the skirt according to the measurement of your waist. I think a hook and eye would work better, but we have to stay inside, so I don't have access to one right now. But if you do, I would say add that instead of the button. We are all done with our macrame fringe skirt, which is great for the beach. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.